Nature. One, it's a shell that looks rusty. Right? Out of water, water nature. A starfish is purple and 5 legs, and it moves around sometimes with these little tentacle looking things. Nature. Nature. Swamps. Trees go weird and it kind of stinks. Nature. Big swamps have more stuff in them. Like big ass mosquitoes that make puddles over there. Nature. Trees have bums too. Scary nature. Snakes. They bite. Nature. Water chickens. Nature. Food. Berries of the blue kind. Nature. Inspirational quotes. Nature. Very powerful stuff. Fuck, you get momentum when you swing your arms like your old ladies in town. Fuck.